wonderful place called Valley Forge Flowers that is owned and operated by Barb King, and it's really more than just a flower shop, although it is a gorgeous flower shop. They also have really beautiful accessories and great garden tools. Well, here's one of the things that's so popular at her store, and I can't believe we're doing these for $18. These are basically your new favorite garden and casual shoe. Great even to walk along the beach. Oh, look, there they are walking along the beach. I didn't even know that was gonna pop up. So perfect for, you just maybe wanna like walking along the beach, that's so nice. But also kind of nice if you just like wake up and you got to take the dog out or take the trash cans to the front of the driveway. I'm going to show you the colors. They come with extra laces. They're so cute. Like, this is so much better than any pool or beach shoe. And then of course you can garden in them. So we have them in purple, navy, and they come with extra laces, so you can kind of switch the colors up. Like the purple comes with a white and a navy lace, the navy comes with a white and like a little aqua lace, the black comes with white and a black lace, and then this is the teal, which is really like the soft kind of aqua blue, and that comes with a really cute little purple lace. The lady herself is here, Barb King.
Hi there.
They're so comfortable.
Aren't they? These are one of our favorite shoes for working in. At the flower shop, we're using the hoses, we're out in the mud.
But they're cute.
They're cute. So, you know what we noticed? As soon as we'd leave work, we left them on because they're comfortable. Yeah. We're going to the market and people in line would say, where did you get those shoes? And that's when I knew we were onto something with a cute gardening shoe that you could take on vacation. You could walk the dog, and those laces are just decorative. So it gives you that sporty look, but you're not tying those laces. We did the extra laces just for a fun fashion change. That basket weave is so awesome.
Well, it's breathable, right?
It is.
So you don't have sweaty feet in waterproof shoes. All right, so we're gonna do these in, like we have, like tell me about the sizing on these, I guess I should say.
Oh, okay, so I stuck the sizing in my pocket because I always forget. So here we have, extra small is 5 to 6, small is 7 to 8, medium 9 to 10,
that's what I have on.
Large 10 to 11.
Okay,
now we do,
and so if you need, extra sizing, right? Like you're a half size or something.
Size up.
Okay.
But also this insert in here gives you a little more snug of a fit. So you could wear it with or without this insert. Look at that basket weave design. Not only does it look like a fashionable sneaker-like, but it's that slide in. And when our shoes get muddy and we're working in the garden, Sandra, I just hose them right off with them on my feet. I just love these shoes.
They're really cute. They look like a little boat shoe / mule. You pop them on, you're not gonna slide around. Look at the traction on the bottom. And they are shockingly comfortable. Like you'll put these on and wanna keep them on. I feel like everybody should have a pair of these by the door.
Yeah, super flexible, very lightweight, so you're not dragging around heavy shoes. There you are. Imagine white sneakers, trying to get them clean. It doesn't happen. There, we put our little angel on the bottom because the name is Soul Steppers, and it leaves an imprint in the sand.
Oh, that's sweet.
Sliding them on is so easy. You're not tying your shoes. They're not fading in pool water or the sun. They're such a fun shoe to go out after you're in the garden or at the beach. It's a great like wear with a cocktail dress to an afternoon party.
Yeah.
Such a comfort, and then just the cuteness of the angel.
That's adorable. For some people, this is going to be a much more comfortable beach and pool shoe than, say, a flip-flop, right?
Oh, yeah.
And also, you're going to wear it, like, I'm telling you, you're going to put these on, and like she said, she wears them at Valley Forge Flowers, and then if you need to stop at the grocery store, you just keep them on. I'll show you the colors again. They're $18, on Easy Pay $6. Yes, you can wear them to garden, but I also think it's just the perfect little shoe to slip on and go. You know, you think about the kids wear those kind of those molded plastic shoes all over the time, but they're kind of big and clunky looking. This is streamlined and pretty, but still very comfortable. Here's the purple, here's the navy, we have white and we have teal, and they all come with contrasting laces if you just want to change out the colors for fun.
And I think that basket weave is so nice for washing it off, but also feeling the breeze. There is what a white sneaker would look like in mud. Have you ever tried to get that out of a sneaker? How about just taking your hose to it, and in seconds, you have a fresh, clean shoe that's ready to go off wherever you may be going, whether it's the market, friend's house. It's so nice, airy, flexible, and lightweight. I love that you're not carrying around a heavy shoe.
Well, also, I think we all need those shoes where we just need to pop out for a second, right? So, you know, maybe you just need to pop out to the driveway for a minute, or you think that somebody left their, you know, maybe they left your QVC box, but you can't see it. You need to pop out and look for it. There's a million reasons why you just got to pop outside, pop in, pop out. Maybe you just want to walk out onto your deck in the spring and water your flowers. You don't need a big, heavy shoe. You just need something durable and comfortable.
Yeah.
The fact that it's cute, that's just really the icing on the cake. Right now, navy is the most popular.
Oh, I love it for that summertime look. It is so awesome.
Oh, how about like you take to, like if you're taking these on vacation or you're going to the pool and you want to like use their showers, just even to have this in their shower. Thank you.
Oh, goodness.
Right,
yeah.
like just as
Great
a shower
idea.
shoe, right? I don't want to stand in that. Okay, so purple, navy, white, and teal. Thank you so much.
Oh gosh, thank you.
They're awesome.
Thanks.
All right, we want to remind you of our big deal. Over 6,000 ordered just in the last week.